guys, today we are going to be seeing 7 by 7 column. So vertically you will have 7 dots and horizontally you will have 7 dots. For this Sikkukolam, there is a pattern that we need to follow. If we follow that pattern very easily, anybody can do this Rangoli. So let's get started. We'll first do a diamond, but instead of closing the fourth side, we'll do an 8 here and we'll repeat the same in all 4 corners. So once you reach the 4th side, do an 8. Fourth side, we'll do an 8. So now we have the outside design. After this, it's pretty straightforward and simple. We'll just loop around the remaining dots, the external section. Is all. We do a final round around the center dot and you have this beautiful 7 by 7 Rangoli design. Do give it a try and subscribe to my channel for more such easy ways to learn Sikkukolam. Bye.